Hello, in this video you will learn to delete custom emojis created with Genmoji on macOS Sequoia. To delete unwanted emojis, launch an app that supports Genmoji, such as TextEdit, Messages, Notes, or Apple Mail. For this tutorial, I will use TextEdit on macOS Sequoia 15.3. To access the emoji keyboard, press Ctrl plus Command plus Space on your Mac to open the emoji palette. Next, click the stickers icon at the bottom of the emoji picker. Locate the custom emojis created with Genmoji. Right-click or Ctrl-click the emoji you wish to delete. Then choose Delete. Repeat the process if you want to remove more custom emojis. If you want to know how to resize Genmojis, save them as JPEG or PNG files so you can use them in other apps, watch this video. If you are searching for free Mac apps, click more below this video to access the playlist link in the description box. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.